Good day, my name is Klausman Kirby Belen, and I am from grade 11 section Titan, and I will be picking 3 words out of the 10 uncommon Filipino words that I found, and I will be giving their meaning and pronouncing them and using them in sentences. So for our first word, we have kalapastanganan, meaning disrespect or sacrilege. Example, ang kalapastanganan sa simbahan ay hindi dapat toleran. Next, we have panhik. It means to climb or ascend. Example, sa tindi ng pag-ulan, mahirap ang panhik sa bundok. Lastly, we have pagkabalat kayo. It refers to hypocrisy or pretense. Example, ang pagkabalat kayo ay nagdudulot ng di matapat na ugnayan sa iba. That is all. Thank you for listening. Goodbye!